Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu cake for business. First, gather your high-quality ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 100 grams of sugar, and 4 large eggs. Also, prepare strong brewed coffee and ladyfingers. Ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for best mixing results. This preparation sets the foundation for a successful and delicious product. Now, let's prepare the rich mascarpone cream. Separate your egg yolks and whisk them with half of your sugar until they're pale and thick. In a separate bowl, gently fold in the mascarpone cheese until fully combined. For the coffee, brew about 2 cups of strong espresso or dark roast. Make sure it cools down completely before you start dipping the ladyfingers. This prevents the cake from becoming soggy. Assembling your tiramisu is where the magic happens. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they absorb just enough liquid without becoming overly saturated. Arrange a neat layer of these dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, spread half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over this first layer. Repeat these steps to create a second layer, ensuring a balanced distribution of flavors. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling period allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cake to set properly. Just before serving or packaging for sale, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. For business, consider pre-portioning into attractive containers. This ensures consistent presentation and makes it easy for customers to enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.